Hello guys, Salman Naseem again. Welcome to the third tutorial of Blender Basic Animation course. First of all, with the little update in Blender latest version 4.1. Before, when we press the I key, we have the menu like that. But now if we press the I key, the Blender will automatically record the keyframe for us for all properties. We can control that stuff with the preferences by going into the preferences animation tab, and there has been some preferences. We can select the location only or the rotation only or a scale or anything like that. For example, if I have select the scale and I will go there and press the I key, it will only add the keyframe to the scale section. As a Blender user, we are addicted to that menu, so we'll press the K key for that. The same menu will be appear here. Let's move on to our lecture, that is the bouncing ball animation. You will see the frames are mentioned here. This is 28 frame animation. Normally when beginners do the animation, it will take away that specific shape into like that with the bounce and here. But with that case, your message will not delivered. As you can see with another example, in the start of the animation, we have the same shape for 3 frames, and suddenly our balls change the shape to give the feeling of speed. And just for that, we will use the stretch principle. We'll change the shape of our ball. We will change the shape of our object, which is a ball in that case. And once it's bounced over here, we will use the squash principle to give the feeling of bounce. This is the after effect of bounce. Let's animate that scenario in Blender. First, I will delete everything by selecting all and press the delete key. I will lock my view to here by clicking 1 on a numpad, and if you don't have the numpad, just go to the preferences and check on emulate numpad. It will shift all your numpad shortcuts to the upper menu like 1 2 3 buttons. So I have pressed the 1 key which lock my view to the front section. If we press the 3 key, that will be our right orthographic, and if we press the 7 key, it will be a top. These are just a shortcut. If you are facing any difficulty in that, we will have the dedicated lecture on these specific parts. So now I press shift A, go to image section, add the reference of that image, or we can just drag drop the image over here. We will increase the size by clicking the S key, and we will move it by the G key. We'll press shift A again, go to the mesh section and add the UV sphere. So this is the UV sphere, but if we see here, this is the 28 frame animation. That means our final frame will be at 28. We will limit our timeline to the 28, which will be around 1.2 seconds, because we are working on 24 frame per second. If you want to reduce it or increase it, you can do it by going in output properties. So we will start it with the 1 and we'll bring that to here, and S key. Now we'll have to trace each and every frame. So that is the first frame. I will press the K key, and if you are using old version, you can press the I key. I will press the K and select location, rotation, scale. So first keyframe is added. We'll go for the next frame, bring the ball to here and rotate it a little bit, press the K key, location, rotation, scale. Third frame, bring it to here, rotate it a little bit more, add the keyframe. Now you can see the little animation, but it is frame by frame. So we will go for 4. Here I will rotate it like that and add the keyframe. These are just a copy paste, you can say the donkey work. And now the best part is started. We will go with the 5th frame. On a 5th frame, we will bring that to here. Press the S key and lock it to the x-axis to match the frame. Rotate it little bit like that and press the add the keyframe. On a 6, we will bring that to here. It will stretch more. So now I will press the S key and lock it on z-axis and stretch it like that. So I will add the keyframe again. On a 7th, we will bring, now we will have to change the shape. First we will match with the z-axis and on x-axis we will do that, add the frame. And now if we see our balls come here and do like that, on a 8th frame we will bring that to here, rotate it little bit, and let's match on z-axis first and match it on x-axis. We are not taking care of y-axis right now because that is our first animation. It's okay to do it like that, and now it will come back to the original shape again. You can say almost original. In the next frame it will be original. So on 10th I will add another one, and that will be our last one before going on speed up mode, and K key, location, rotation, scale. And now I will speed up my video until everything is done. So all the keyframes are added. You can say it is going like that. And if we hide this reference by clicking H key, you will see our ball will bounce like that. If you want it with more good feeling, we will press Shift A again and add the plane. Go to the top menu and scale it on x-axis. So our bouncing ball animation is done. All of these references are added with the video, and this is your first assignment to create the bouncing ball animation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.